Hello, everyone. Welcome to the MRM Success Stories. And today I have Rithin Joseph, who stays at Chennai. He is one of my old mentee. He has been part of MRM since long, long time, and now a part of Diamond membership. He's working with Elula Tech Private Limited, working as a digital marketing analyst, having 4 years of experience. I'm very amazed with this transformation, the way he has grown in last 3 4 months, and you will come to know how he evolved, how he transformed himself just by practicing morning rituals, by focusing on goal, and just not in one key area of life, but in all the key areas of life: health, career, relationship, money, and spiritual. So let's invite Rithin. Hi, Rithin. Thank you so much
Yeah,
for being more here. How are
yeah.
you?
Hi, sir. I'm good. How about you?
I'm doing great. Thank you. Thank you, Rithin. So, Rithin, my first question to you is, uh, when did you came to know about MRM and how you came to our MRM family, into our MRM community?
Okay, well, so it was in way back in 2020 when COVID happened. So at that particular time, I just was just normally browsing through Facebook. I just got to know your ad, and I just saw like it was a 2 minute of video. So I just watched it, and it was like something which I really wanted to do it because I was like always a procrastinator. I have some goals and things, but I was not consistent in doing it or anything. And I usually wake up by 9 o'clock, 9:30. Though the office is like it was work from home, so I used to wake up by 9:30, and I used to sleep by late nights and have apart from that, like those kind of things. And later on, when I just wanted to transform my life, this video, like I don't know, like whether it was like by God's grace or something like that, it came to my Facebook feed, and I just saw, and it got really initiated and it got connected with me. So that's how I just enrolled for the webinar, which is like you said, like how not to procrastinate and how to achieve your goals kind of thing. And that's how I came into it. And I first I just attended the webinar. Then after that also I didn't take any initiative. But after I just received emails from your end. Then again I attended the second webinar with a different topic. Then I got connected more into it, and literally felt okay. This is what I need, and this is what I'm looking for, and that's how the journey started, and I came into MRM.
Okay, so you attended my first webinar, but you didn't enroll. Again, you joined my second webinar, and then you decided to be part of it. Awesome, awesome.
Yes.
Okay, great. So Ritin, so it's 2 year you from yeah 2 years, and I think you took a gap in between. Then again you joined, correct?
Yeah,
Am-
yeah, of course.
Yeah.
Yeah, of
Okay.
course. Because the reason being, I met with an accident, and it turned upside down, and I lost my job as well. And many situations, bad situation happened. Due to that, I couldn't able to again focus on what I was doing, and that's the reason I left it out. That's the reason.
Great. Okay, and you have joined now, and you're being doing MRM since long time now. Awesome. Great. So Ritik, my next question to you is, what are the challenges, probably or struggle that you're going through in your life before joining MRM? So if you can just elaborate, if you can tell me.
Yeah, so the major thing is I usually used to have negative thoughts, which is like, what can I do if I can't do what kind of opportunity can I lose? Those kind of stuff and everything. But I always intend to have like, okay, fine, if I have positive mindset, I can just grow it. But I couldn't able to do it, so that was a major thing. And oftentimes, what happens is like try to keep myself being in like calm and composed, but maybe because of some situation or some scenario, or even for no reason, sometimes I get angry at myself. And I used to like yell at my parents, or if someone asks me questions, sometimes I'll answer in a calm and polite way. But sometimes I would like yell at them, like, why you're asking me, keep on repeating like this, and those kind of stuff, which is like was really bad for me, because I don't really wanted to do it. But because of the mindset and everything, like I had those kind of situation. And the next thing is I wanted to transform my life, and I wanted to achieve some goals, but I didn't know what was the direction, where I need to focus on how I need to do it, and what kind of situation, if I get into some kind of trouble situation, how to overcome those kind of stuffs. I was really not aware of it, and I was a bit skeptical on it, the thing. So these are the three major things. And next part is like when I wanted to really improve myself in terms of health and financial wise. But there too, I was stuck, like how to get further. So these are the major things which I had in my previous life, wherein I couldn't able to do any of the things. I just have some timetables to put in, but I couldn't able to do any of the works. And every time it happens the same thing. But after joining MRM, the first month itself, because as already I was in being part of MRM, so I again joined in to make myself, as you said, say like the transformation 2.0 journey. So I wanted to make myself as Rithin Joseph version 2.0. So that was my main intention. And after joining in, I just used to usually I used to sleep at like 1:30 to working for long hours, such kind of thing. But I really wanted to know if I wake up, like if I go to bed early and wake up early, then I have more time to dedicate to my own self growth as well as to the office work which I'm doing in, and to spend time with my family as well. So these were the concerns which I shared. And after doing that, I used to wake up by 5:30. So the day one I started like, no, this is what I wanted to do. So whatever I just slept on that day, the first day I slept it around like 1:32. But after that also, this is my first day. I need to prove who I am. So I thought of that, and I woke up by 5:30, and it all started slowly. And when we doing like the morning rituals, we started to pray. So I usually always devote myself to God, but after doing MRM, I just most like I could say almost like daily 1 or 1.5 hour I used to spend time praying. Whenever I get free time, I used to thank God. So this is because mainly of MRM, because when we start doing MRM, we usually thank God and universe. So that is one of thing. The next is like you showed me like how to work on the mindset, the Friday sessions, everything. So which really helped me to develop my mindset as well, because as I said like previously I didn't have any mindset of overcoming the negative thoughts or anything. But after slowly the week 1, week 2, week 3, when I was progressing in, I just saw the transformation in myself. Okay, whenever some negative thought comes, I'll say like to my mind, no, no, this is not going to happen. So think in a positive way. So I went in those kind of pathway. And after that, like in health, in terms of health as well, I never used to focus much on it. I used to go out, hang out with friends, and have foods, junk foods, and everything. But right now, I've restricted. No, this is what I'm going to do. So I wanted to increase my body weight. I wanted to build muscles. I want to focus my health literally, because I had some issues as well, like the bad problems on. But I overcome right now. I'm just overcoming about it and other things. And in terms of the angriness and stress level, I could right now say I'm just almost like 80 to 90% I've overcome that. So when right now also when my mom yells at me, or mom is yelling at like somebody else, if she wants to scold anybody else, she talks about anybody else. I say, leave it, mom. You can just do it. Just ignore them and don't ever think about them. So if somebody does wrong, just like forgive them, just thank them. Like that. That's how like my mentality has become, and I'm to like training my family members, my mom, my dad, my sister.
Wow.
So I'm telling those my family members also like to do this kind of things, and literally it is I could say like 90% of my life has been transformed right now, in terms of the angerness, the negative mindset, as well as the health, and in terms of goals as well. Because previously I had goals, but I don't know like where to go and the right direction of. But here, after doing this, after your guidance and weekly sessions and morning meditation, everything, I'm just moving towards a positive way and totally focused into my self growth and health conditions.
Oh, that means I can say you have changed your mindset, your mental as well as physical health. Okay, mental health as physical health. You have become more calm, composed, relaxed. And the next thing, what you have done is obviously you have worked on your anger. Okay, that is something that
Yes,
many people go
of
through,
course.
and I can very clearly say you become more calm and composed. So can I say overall you have improved your health, you have improved your career, you have improved your relationship with your parents, and financially you are learning some skills that I know now. You're making
Yeah,
videos
yeah,
and
yes, of
you're coming
course.
out of your comfort zone. And spiritual also, you are like doing prayer to God. You're spending a
Mhm.
lot of time to understand about your purpose and about your existence, about your why. Okay,
Yes, of
awesome.
course.
Awesome. So that's what I think, Ritin. See, I am a firm believer. Success is something which you should get success, not just chase money or career, but you should balance your life in all the key areas of life, which I always speak on. It's all about living and life, not an or life. Many
Yes.
people live an optional life, but I'm very glad, I'm very happy that we have started living and life. where you are focusing on your family also, health also, career also, relationship also, and obviously your spiritual life also. That's
Yeah, the
beautiful.
main reason because of this, like your guidance as well as the MRM family people who are so supportive in doing it, and whenever we get queries on anything, like you are there to guide us and address us. So that is one of the grateful thing being proud to be part of, and I really thank God as well as like I'm grateful for you as well to being for being in my part of my life.
Yeah. Rithin, you told just about now you use this word MRM family. So can you brief how our MRM family is different than others? Means what exactly you get from MRM family? Forget about me. I'm to just an I'm just helping you guys. But how this MRM family has played an important role in your life?
Yeah, so previously I've been into many of the courses and everything, and they have that WhatsApp group community, and it is like once it has been done, almost like for 1 week, 2 weeks, or maybe like 1 month, it will be active. Then rest of the whole year it will be so inactive. Only on some festive season, some notifications will come to that group. But after joining MRM and joining the Telegram group of community as well, like I too thought of the same thing will be happening in MRM as well. But unfortunately, it was like so miracle for me that every day everyone used to interact with us, like whatsoever problems we have, if we post it, we are just getting reply, and motivation things have been happening over there, and those kind of things have been happening. And always I used to say like community, community. But right now the reason which I said family is because everybody are so intact and they're close with helping each others, their supportiveness. If someone is like not at good stage, proper stage, the comfortness they're giving in, these kind of stuff like really helps people to motivate, and daily like the purpose, what their purpose are, they whatever so achievements they're doing, they're posting it. So that really makes okay fine, they can do it, like why can't I do it? And it really motivates to do further and to update my success as well in the in the family. So these are the like most important points which I found in MRM family rather than comparing to other groups or community members which I've already joined.
Yeah, yeah, I agree totally. I 100% agree on this. So, in fact, like I also thought, should I open the like, should I allow all of people to interact? But then what I decided, this is just not MRM. We really want to create a powerful family so that in case sometime like we can't express ourselves to all our family members, but we have this MRM family where we want whatever
Yeah.
we need support. You can just ask. And now, just for example, today only when Naya was struggling for a job, many people approach her, call her, and it was such an amazing thing. Now imagine that confidence she might have got just
Yes.
that we are there just by people sending her message, and people sending her blessings. And she personally messaged me, thank you so much, Amol sir, I've got my confidence back. So that's one thing, like small thing can play a very important role in someone's life. So I totally agree. And that's the reason I always talk to create a families instead of just focusing on program. Amazing. So Ritin, my next question to is uh, probably why should people be part of this MRM family? Why should people join MRM? So people who will be watching this interviews, our viewers, what message you would like to give? I'm sure because when you decided to join in 2020, you are not sure should I join or not because you had some money challenges. But still you joined, still you took that decision. I still remember in diamond membership also you were going through some struggle, but still you took that leap of faith. So what's that one message you would like to give to people on why they should be become part of our MRM family?
Yes, so the major and the foremost reason which I can tell is like many people have been struggling in life in terms of changing their health, financial advisors, mindset, the thoughts, the way they work in the culture and everything. I would literally say like because I was in the same mentality when I saw when I felt I was in the same situation. I didn't know what to be done. So many people right now I could believe like many people are in the same situation. If they join MRM, definitely they can improve their self, which is like first we were telling about like the 12 key areas spoke of life, but here right now it is like 5 key areas of spoke of life, which is the and life. So I literally believe like when a person initiates to join MRM, it will definitely help them to change their health, mindset, their goal, their wealth management system, the financial, the spirituality, and whatnot. I would say, like, because you're just bringing more values. So that is main most concern. And the value which they pay for this MRM is like, because right now when I joined in, it was somewhere around 7,999 all in 2020, and right now we have again made the best prices which no one can afford to give it. For lifetime membership, that too, because the time which I took it is for like 1 month challenge I did it. But here you are giving at a so cheap and affordable prices where no one can ignore it. That is most preferably, and I would suggest everybody to take this MRM challenge and do it and transform to make your life as like to a version 2.0. And this can really help everybody and motivates everybody, not only in developing kind of habits, but it really initiates and helps you to lead your way, to lead your life in a better way.
Great, awesome, awesome. I think bang on, Rithin. And so that's what I want to tell all our viewers. Our intention, I don't say my intention, but our intention, because now this MRM is not just mine, but it's our family intention, our community intention is to help to take this morning ritual miracle to each and every home so that people can redesign their life in all the key areas of life. Because people needs energy, people need support. Okay, people sometimes we just listen to this motivational gyan, but it doesn't really help. But we need a tribe where we can work on our emotions, we can work on our negativity, jealousy, where we can live our life in peace, in happiness, fulfillment. This is the ultimate goal, the intention of our MRM family. So thank you so much, Ritin, for sharing your transformational story. It was really amazing, and I'm really proud of you because you just started, and I'm sure 2023 we still have around 11 months. You'll definitely become version 3.0. I'm full confident on it because
Yes, so definitely. I
I'm
too.
seeing you since last 2 years. So definitely I can see a lot of different energy on your face, more confident, and you look more calm and composed.
Yeah, that is because of this thing. And one more point to be added to the people who wants to join is like, this is more of practical, not only a theory part, which everybody does it and just they just give you pre-recorded videos and you can do it as on your own. But this is something which is more intensive, practical, and you have like complete guidance support from Amol sir as well as our family community members. So definitely you can just try it out.
Yeah, thank you so much, Ritin, and it was nice talking to you. Okay,
Yeah,
wish
it was
you
nice
all the
talking to you
best.
as well, sir.
Yeah, and keep rocking. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.